I was able to get my hair to this platinum silver blonde color. So what I did was I bleached my whole entire head using different powder bleaches, and I actually use a cream bleach too, but I recommend just might as well just go ahead and using a cream bleach. What I used is the Ion Color Brilliant Bright White Cream Lightener, and it says it has, it'll lift your hair up 8 levels, which is good. So once you have this, you also need to get a 40 volume developer. You can also get that at Sally's. You mix that with this. It says you do it with either a 1:1 or 1:2 ratio, and I used a 1:1 because I really wanted the bleach to be really strong in my hair because I wanted it to get to that color quickly. So I did that, and I bleached it a couple times, and I got to a very, very light pale yellow color. If you don't bleach it enough, it might turn out too brassy even after you tone it. So I recommend just making sure you leave the bleach on for a good amount of time. Also, you have to watch your hair between each bleach session. I usually do, for each bleach session I only do an hour of it, and then I wash it out before I want to do it again. And you always have to keep track, like always check on your hair to make sure it's not like super damaging or like your hair isn't like falling out or whatever. I'd be super careful with the bleach just because it's bleach, and it's going to, if you have like sensitive scalp, which I did, and it really, like the bleach left really bad scars on my head, and it was really like miserable for the first few times I bleached my hair because I was just like, this hurts so bad. And once you bleach it to that pale yellow color, you're gonna tone it. So what I use for toning is the Wella T18. It's the lightest ash blonde color, and I mix it in with a half of a bottle of 050. It's like Wella 2. It's called Cooling Violet, and that's what's gonna add it, like the gray, into it. So I added that into my mixture, and I left it on for about 35 to 40 minutes because I really wanted that, like my the yellow and the orange shades to like completely go away. And it actually, I'll show a picture right now. It came out super gray. It was actually a little bluish too. I didn't want it that exact color. I wanted it more of what I have now, which I was really worried, but I was able to do that. Or if you wanted that gray blue color, that's how you get it. But I wanted it a little more warmer, so what I did was just I stopped using purple shampoos, and I just went ahead and just used like regular shampoos. Once your hair reaches to as warm as you wanted it to, you can stop like using regular shampoos and like start using purple shampoos again. So yeah, so that's what I did because I still wanted like a little yellow in my hair, but not like super orange yellow. One tip I have is to definitely have a friend to help you, especially if this is your first time dyeing your hair. Like thankfully I've had the experience of dyeing my hair multiple times, so I have some sort of knowledge with it. For like hair care and the upkeeping of it, I definitely recommend using a hair serum. What I use is this Frizz Ease John Frieda Extra Strength Serum. It makes my hair feel super soft after my shower. Also, shout out to Jesser and Jasmine for dyeing or like helping me bleach my hair to where it is now, because I was so, like the back of my head, you don't have a friend to help you. It's really hard to get to the back of your head because it gets really hard to reach, and they were able to bleach that part for me because it was a lot more orange when I was bleaching it than the sides. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any more questions, just go ahead and leave your questions down below. See you guys in my next video.